Happy Tuesday. Michelle Womack here, your consultant here at Homemade Memories. And I am so excited to bring you guys some amazing news. This is something that I've been working on and thinking about, and I decided, you know what? Let's just give it a try. So if you're watching this part of the video, chances are you are watching the replay. So hashtag replay for me so that I can see that you are here and that you listen, and stay with me all the way to the end because you are not going to want to miss out. Okay, so I have some secrets and some specials for you at the end. So this is something that I've been thinking about, and a lot of you have actually asked me to do something just like this, and I thought, you know what, I'm just going to jump in and do it and see what happens. So a few of you have known my story. A few years ago, I was just your average mom that got stuck in that dinner rut, right? I didn't know a whole ton of stuff about the kitchen. I wasn't a perfect cook, and I wanted to get better, right? I made 5 meals on repeat over and over and over again, and while they were yummy while they lasted, after a while that kind of gets boring, right? So I needed to find a way to bring in new flavors, new ideas, but still be able to manage the time that I spent in the kitchen. And since 3 years ago, I have become a student in the kitchen, and I have really expanded what I can achieve and the meals that I can provide to my family that we can make memories over. Everything from cake pops and tie-dye cupcakes all the way through to your everyday breakfast, lunch, and dinners and your desserts. I have tried new things over the last 3 years that I never thought I would ever have in my kitchen. And so many of you have commented and you've asked me, can you teach me how to do that? I want to learn how to do that. And I want to know the nuances. Well, I was in the same boat. I wanted to learn how to do things, but I just didn't know how. And I got overwhelmed with a lot of the information that is out there. So what I'm thinking of doing is creating a workshop style cooking club where we can come together and we can work on a specific topic each and every month and really hone in on those skills. I have some guest speakers that will come in and talk to us, and they will do a Q&A where you can ask questions. So what I envision is a once a week email that is going to give you information on a topic that you want to learn more about. And then a step-by-step video on exactly how to execute it in small bite-sized steps, right? I can do anything as long as you give me one direction at a time and they're small bite-sized steps. And so that's really how I have grown in the kitchen and become a better cook for my family. You guys have heard me say that time and time again. I actually just got asked to do a cake for Ava's theater production. So I'm doing cake and cupcakes for them because they saw some of the work that I do right here in our online community group. So with that being said, it'll be one email a week with step-by-step information and details. And then we're also going to have an exclusive community where you can come, ask questions, share your progress, celebrate each other, and just get to know people that want the same kind of things out of the kitchen that you do. So a couple of the ideas that we've been talking about and thinking about are a cupcake class where I teach you how to make and decorate cupcakes, how to real nice moist cakes, and how to use your piping tools and all that kind of stuff, and do fancy things with icing and candies. It's so exciting. Another thing is cake pops, how to master them and have them not crack when you're trying to put them together. And then, of course, we have everything from cooking for different lifestyles like gluten-free or dairy-free, substitutions that you can make to have healthier meals, and then also just the system of it, right? The planning and the freezer meals and the prep stuff and how to really simplify it to help you get what you want out of your kitchen without having to spend all day in there and also spend a fortune. My goal is to save you time and money. And so that's kind of what this is all about, right? And like I said, the experts will come in, you'll have support, and you'll have friends that you'll make along the way. So here's the thing, I'm going to need your help. I can't do this alone, right? My goal is to serve you and help you go from maybe knowing a few things in the kitchen to really honing in skills and getting better. And then also just learning more and perfecting your craft, right? So, what I need from you is I'm going to offer you an invitation as a founding member because you guys have been with me from the beginning. And so I wanted to offer it to you guys first. There's a limited number of spots as a founding member. And basically, you'll get to come in. You're going to be one of the first to be a part of this type of an online workshop where you get to come and grow. And your feedback is going to be welcomed. You, as a founding member, get to shape exactly what this workshop looks like and where it's going to go and what it is going to become, which is kind of big. You also get to help us name the workshop and what it's going to be called. And also, you're going to have a say in what we cover and how far in depth you'd like to go on that topic. So that's kind of cool too. And then, of course, there is going to be a special founding member discount that you are going to be able to take advantage of. Because you come in on the ground floor and you're willing to give your feedback, we want you to pay the lowest amount that it is ever going to be for this type of a workshop, and it's going to stay there. It is never going to increase on you. So that is a founding member deal. You're also going to get a special little gift from me in the mail because we want to praise you and we want to let you know that we appreciate you. So with that being said, if this sounds like something that you might be interested in, you may have some questions, and that's normal. But if this sounds like something you might be interested in, or you have a couple of ideas of what you would like to see yourself do in the kitchen to grow and get better, then send me a direct message and I will tell you the next step if you're ready to go. I know a few of you are already like chomping at the bit, like, hey, I'm ready. Sign me up. Where do I sign in? And then a few of you might have some questions. So send me a direct message. I'll answer any questions that you have, and I will kind of show you maybe how it can be of value to you. So with that, that's what I've got for this Tuesday. I'm super excited. We are finishing up 101 Dalmatians this weekend, and we also are putting a wrap on our gymnastics season on Sunday with our state competition. So y'all, that's it for me for today. I will talk to you very, very soon, and happy cooking. See you soon.